Hey there everyone, in this video I will show you how to install extension on Google Chrome. So let's get started. Alright, let's just open up the Google Chrome browser, and from here you need to search for Chrome Web Store. Search for it, and from here, as you can see, the Google Web Store website. Just tap on that. And from this website you need to tap on the extension option, and here is a lot of extension that Google have. You can simply search the extension from here. Like I want a ad blocker, or I can say I want a ChatGPT extension. So I will tap on ChatGPT, search on that, and ChatGPT for Google. As you can see, this is an ChatGPT for Google extension. Tap on that, and now you need to tap on the add to Chrome. Just tap on that, add extension. Again, tap on this option. Just wait until the download has been finished. So from now on, you need to tap on this little icon right over here. Just tap on that and pin that extension you have recently downloaded. Tap on the pin button, and as you can see, my extension has been added to Google Chrome. So that's the simplest way to add the extension on your Google Chrome. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.